Talk to hey now, hey now. Hey now, hey now. Hi, my name is Terry Danner, and I've spent most of my career in multifamily. Over 30 years ago, I got my start learning from industry greats like Harlan Crow, Ron Terwilliger, and Leonard Wood, leading me to form the management company Riverstone Residential Group, which grew to be the largest third-party management company in the country, ultimately combining with Greystar to form the largest management company in the world. Along the way, I've come to realize that success lies at the community level. Today, I'm the CEO of SightPlan. We're building software tools to help on-site teams deliver exceptional service. While most of us are just beginning to come out of quarantine, it's important to remember that the essential team members have never stopped working. That's why I'm on a mission from coast to coast in search of multifamily team members that are making a difference. Along this journey, we'll learn new jobs, talk about best practices, and see how we're adapting to new challenges. Who knows, we may run into some of my friends along the way. So join me as we learn about the tough stuff that keeps our industry moving and celebrate the people behind it. Let's get back to work. We're here today in sunny Orlando, Florida, and joining me is Mayor Buddy Dyer. Some of you may recognize his voice from the tram at Orlando International Airport, where he welcomes 50 million visitors per year. Mayor Dyer has been serving the Orlando community for 17 years. The work he has done has resulted in tremendous growth, with 1,500 people moving to Central Florida each week. And he's joined us to share more about the city.
Hey, thanks, Terry. You're exactly right. We're one of the most visited destinations in the entire world, and everybody knows about Disney World and Universal and SeaWorld. But a lot of people don't know about the other things in Orlando, especially our downtown, which is home of the Dr. Phillips Performing Arts Center, the Amway Center, our new soccer stadium, and then beautiful Lake Eola Park is one of the great treasures. And we have over 400,000 apartment residents here. But we continue to grow, and we need to add more than 9,000 units every single year to keep up with the growth.
That's awesome. Well, great to hear about the city, great to hear about your growth. Best of luck in the future as Orlando continues to grow.
Well, I hope you enjoy Lake Eola Park today.
We had a fun time with Mayor Dyer this morning, learning a little bit more about Orlando. This is truly a city that's on the move. Looking forward now to getting over to Central Station on Orange. I know they've got a lot of work planned for us, so let's get back to work.
Hi, Terry.
Good morning.
Michelle Bryce with Lincoln Property Company.
Hi, Michelle. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks for having me here today.
We're delighted to have you here. Shall we do our 6-foot social distancing?
Sure, that'd be great.
Oh, much better, huh?
Yes.
Well, welcome to Central Station. We're delighted to have you and your team here today.
Thank you. Excited. Really looking forward to the day ahead.
Fantastic. Are you familiar with Lincoln Property Company?
I am. I know they're the second largest management company in the country. They've got a fantastic team with fantastic leadership, and I know very service oriented.
Yes,
so looking
we are.
forward to kind of helping do a little bit more of that today and see what you do on a day-to-day basis.
Very good. Well, you came to the right place. Well, I'd like to introduce you to our business manager first. This is Connie Mendez.
Hi, Connie. How are you?
Virtual hug.
A hug. Nice to meet you.
Same here. Welcome to Central Station. We were built in 2015. We have 279 units, approximately 375 residents. I would love to introduce you to our expert, Mariela. Everyone knows her as Jenny, our residents and our staff. She is the expert in keeping us clean, safe, sanitized. Today, Jenny's going to give you a pair of gloves and some sanitizing solution that have also been provided by HD Supply, so we can get to work.
Yes, of course, you need a glove and you need a bottle too. You have to put disinfecting for everywhere.
So now I spray everything like this?
Everything.
With the new CDC guidelines we have to follow, there are a lot of steps that have to be taken multiple times a day. But Jenny is just such a person who is so in tune with the community, as she knows it inside and out.
And during the day, how often would you clean this piece of equipment?
Twice a day.
Twice a day?
Yes. We need to clean the screen, the screen over here, but with the wipes, Lysol wipes. And you have to clean very well. And this wipe, you can't use for another screen.
That's it?
No, you have to.
One wipe and you're done.
Yeah, you need another one for the other machine, and you need to repeat the process with the other machine, the same thing again.
Okay, we'll see if we're ready to fly solo here.
Okay.
I'm gonna spray everything.
Not like that. You have to put a lot. It's a lot.
This is a true sanitization where you're trying to put a chemical on that would destroy any type of bacteria or virus.
And remember the emergency bottle too.
Oh, because that's an area that people touch.
Yes.
Wipe it down. Wipe it down. Wipe it down.
Terry, what you doing?
Okay, Jenny, what's next?
Go.
Even when our amenities were shut down, she was cleaning the amenities the same way she cleans them today that they've reopened. It's just something that's in her. It's kind of built in her, where we model her.
The first thing, we have to disinfect everything with the white Lysol.
Jobs like that where you're doing a lot of the repetitive things day in and day out. She takes such pride in that, right? And she realizes that what she's delivering is an experience, a comfort level to the residents. It's not just about, keeping something clean. Ooh, very shiny. So we're sanitized and now we're looking good. Wow, comes out fast.
Yeah,
Is that too much?
Too much, it's just little.
Okay.
Because this is oil. So now you have to dry very well. So you need more paper for that.
And I got some on the cabinet.
What you doing now? It's just
messing
little.
it up.
Yes.
A little bleach.
Yes.
Sprayed on the inside.
Inside, yes. And now it's okay, you finish. Here. Terry, look at me. We have to clean this area now. He was terrible. Now he knows to do everything perfect. Now he learned and he's okay now. He can do everything by himself.
Hey, Pete, what are you doing here? Court give you the day off?
I heard that Terry Danner's going back to work. I wouldn't miss that for the world.
Well, come on, let's get to work.
You want me to work?
Absolutely.
Have you seen these hands? I could do it. Yeah, let's do it.
Jenny is the best of the best, and to be able to highlight her and then for our residents to also get the opportunity to see that, it's well deserved.
She's very high energy. She just never runs out and she cares so much. I can't say enough about what this opportunity is going to mean to her.
In case you didn't know, they're clapping for you, not for me. So,
Thank you.
we are all big fans of the work that you're doing here. I know Lincoln Property Company should be proud to have such a wonderful employee that during these difficult times, you're working diligently to keep the residents safe, to keep the property sanitized. And I know it means a lot to both the residents and the team here. So I want to introduce Lee with the Apartment Association of Greater Orlando, and she'll start first.
Nice to meet you. Thank you, Terry. Well, we at AAGO are here to support and encourage our local communities. We are a source of advocacy, education, and networking opportunities. So we're just here to help. And Jenny, on behalf of AGO and Grace Hill, we would like to present you with a scholarship to continue your education for Sir. We greatly appreciate all that you've done, all your hard work. You've made this place a better place to be, so we appreciate you. Thank you so much.
But wait, there's more. Our friends at HD Supply have also generously donated this backpack vac for you to kind of help you in your life. And then I'd also like to introduce Pete Regulus with Court, who also would like to recognize you.
Well, I really do. I got a chance to do a little bit of the work out there. What you do, you represent multifamily. How hard it is for us to get back to work. All the things that you do and your teams are really, really great. So on behalf of Court, we have a $750 retail opportunity for you. It's a makeover. We'll put in some design services. You can shop online or you could come in the store. We can do either one. We'll take good care of you, and here you go. Congratulations.
The way the team that celebrated, right, is that this is really a family. And I think Jenny is somebody who is integrated in with the resident profile here. Real hug?
Jenny has not stopped. Her work ethic, the residents see it, you know, and I think she just makes everyone want to work as hard as her.
That was extremely important that it was Jenny, because she is just such a special person. I can't say enough about her and how much she cares and what a great ambassador she is for Lincoln.
I'm so excited about everything because it was a surprise for me, everything.
Hi Jenny, I just wanted to take a moment to thank you for all that you do for Central Station, for Lincoln, for your team, for your residents. Lincoln is the company that we are because of our employees, because of our people, because of you. You're essential, and I'm proud to be part of your team.
It was amazing. Everything is good for me. I'm so happy right now.
Well, that's how we get work done. Even in an international pandemic, teams are adapting and ensuring that communities are being properly sanitized and residents are being taken care of. I learned a few things about sanitization, had a great time doing it. To all of the on-site teams, thank you. No job is off limits as we cross the country in search of the everyday unsung heroes in our industry. We'll see you next time as we get back to work.
Back to work with Terry Danner. Scene 1. Take 1. Take 2. Take 3. Take 4. Terry Danner, scene 1, take 6.
Take 6.
Sorry, you need another one.
Take 77.